Hello everyone, hope you all are doing fine. In this video, I'm going to share one of my friend's BARC interview questions on 2024. So the first question is, write your favorite subjects. The favorite subjects mentioned in the interview are physical metallurgy, extractive metallurgy, metallurgical thermodynamics, mechanical metallurgy, and corrosion. So they started from physical metallurgy. From physical metallurgy, the first question is, draw iron carbon diagram. In the iron carbon diagram, mark all the invariant reactions and mark all these curves A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, ACM in the phase diagram and the significance of all these curves. Next question is, what microstructure do we have at these temperatures 750 degrees centigrade and 950 degrees centigrade for a 0.28% carbon steel. Then draw TTT curve for hypo and hypereutectoid steels. Then define interlamellar spacing. Out of annealing and normalizing, which one will have a smaller interlamellar spacing? What are the basic differences between annealing and normalizing in the obtained microstructure? In which case, proeutectoid phase is more, annealing or normalizing. What is Gibbs phase rule? Derive it. Then they asked, draw H2O phase diagram and apply phase rule at triple point. What is the degrees of freedom that the system has at the triple point? Now make changes in the H2O phase diagram and draw aluminum phase diagram. What changes do we observe in between these two phase diagrams? Then what is the temperature range for normalizing for hypoeutectoid steels and hypereutectoid steels? Then the second interviewer started extractive metallurgy. They started with aluminum extraction. What are the ores of aluminum and explain Bayer's process? What are autoclaves and what is the advantages do we get by pressure leaching? What are the products of Bayer's process? Then why can't we directly extract aluminum from anhydrous Al2O3 which was obtained from Bayer's process? What is the significance of Hall-Herold's process? Why can't we use pyrometallurgical route to extract aluminum? What challenges do we face? Friends, I have explained every aspect of aluminum extraction in my extractive metallurgy lecture series. Kindly do check it to clear all the doubts regarding aluminum extraction. Then they asked to draw the Illingham diagram of iron extraction from iron ore and all the reducing agents like carbon, carbon monoxide and hydrogen. When can we do the reduction of iron ore using carbon monoxide? What decides the slope of certain line in the Illingham diagram? Which is better reducing agent, carbon, carbon monoxide or hydrogen? Then they ask, what is nomographic scale? What is the significance? Then the next interviewer started thermodynamics. What are reversible and irreversible processes? And the free energy change in the reversible and irreversible processes. Derivation of dZ in case of reversible and irreversible processes. What is the relation between reaction quotient and equilibrium constant? Derive the relation. And how does this relation help in defining the spontaneity of a reaction? What is the third law of thermodynamics? And write its equation. And what is entropy? Next is mechanical metallurgy. First one is draw stress strain curve. What is the difference do we see in low carbon steel and aluminum stress strain curves? Then what is yield point phenomena and why do this occur? Where does this yield point phenomena occur? In low carbon steels or high carbon steels? Then what is the difference between extension, elongation and ductility of a material? Then how ductility is measured? Then how do you find yield stress from stress strain curve? So for measuring yield stress, we take 0.2% offset strain. So this 0.2% is of what strain? Of total strain, elastic strain or the plastic strain? How do you calculate total strain from stress strain curve? From corrosion, first write down the corrosion equation. Then write anodic and cathodic reactions for a steel bar during corrosion. Then how do you protect the steel bar from corrosion? What is anodic and cathodic protection methods? Then what are different forms of corrosion? Mechanism of pitting corrosion. So these were all the questions asked in that interview. Thank you for watching. Take care. See you in the next video.